Hello students, welcome to Prayashu YouTube channel. This is Scholarship Exam Standard 5th online class, subject Intelligent Test, and the topic is code language. In this one, use of symbols for letter or the numbers, or we can say the digits. So here, through the examples only we can understand exactly what this topic is. Okay, so question number 1 is there. In certain code language, if Ahmednagar is written as per this sequentially symbols, okay, then Amar is written as, so A is this sign, okay, positive sign, then H is minus sign, then M is this cross sign. So likewise, A means this plus sign, okay, then M is a cross sign, again A is a plus sign, and then R means last one is a square. So after this one, square is there, okay. So this is given in, so option number 2. So this we can written as a like this one. Then question number 2 and 3, observe the table of signs and numbers and answer the question. So here the signs given and the numbers given. So with respect to this one, we have to solve the question number 2 and 3. So in this one, this represent which number? So this sign means 4, okay, this cross signs means 8, and this triangle sign means 0, and this circle means 6, means 4806, and this is given in option number 1. Then question number 3, 2048 is represented by which set of the signs? So 2 means this plus signs, okay, here, 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 okay, in these three options. Then 0 means this triangles, means here not present the triangle, here is the only triangle. So option number 2 and 1 also not, and 4 also not, so only the option number 3. So this plus sign and then triangle. Then 4 means this minus sign correctly, and 8 is cross signs, means this one also correct, means option number 3 is a correctly represent. Then question number 4, using code triangle is equals to 5, square rectangular is equals to 3, and like a star is equals to 8. Then this rectangular means 3 plus this is a plus sign, then triangle means 5, okay, plus 5, and then subtractions of this one, and the star is a 8. So this is equals to how much? So first additions we will do. So 3 plus 5 is 8, and 8 minus 8 is 0. So this is given in option number 1. Question number 5, if 3 is equals to triangle, 4 is equals to this symbol, and 5 is equals to like a square, then 4 4 3 5. So 4 means this one, so this 2 times is given in these two options. So option 2 and 4 is not one. Then 3 means triangle is here, but and here the square is there, so this one also incorrectly, so the only option 1 is there. So after this one, 5 means this square, and this is given, so this is a correctly, so option number 1 is the correct one. Then question number 6, if L is equals to this symbol, A is equals to triangle, T is equals to positive signs, E is equals to like a swastik, then TEA is represented as, now T means this symbol, okay, so this symbol at the first is given only in option number 3. Then E means this like a swastik, is this one, and A means this triangle, so this one, so option number 3 is the correct one. Then question number 7, these alphabets and their symbols is respectively is given, so this is represented by which word from the given option? So this minus sign means M, okay, so M, then parallel two lines means O, then this like a arrow N, okay, and this symbol is a K, so means MONK, okay, MONK means option number 4 is the correct one. Then question number 8, observe the table of the number and symbols, which is the correct option for the number 5362. Now 5 means this one, 3, 6 and 2. So starting from this one means option number 4 and option number 1. So this is the incorrect one. 5, 3. 3 means square is there. Okay, here square and here also square. Then 6. 6 means this one. So here also and here also. And then 2 means triangle, so here triangle and here the 0, so this is incorrectly, so the option number 1 is the correct one. Then for question number 9 and the 10, so alphabets and their symbols are given. Using the above symbol for the letters, how to write BAD? Now B means this one, okay, so this is given in the here and here. Then A A is a triangle, so triangle, and the D is a positive sign here. So this is a option number 3 is a correctly. Then question number 10. So this represent which word from the given option? So this solid circle means E. Okay. Then two lines parallel, then F is there, and this symbol means C, means EFC. EFC means option number 4 is the correct one. Then question number 11. Using symbol, if TAN is this one, CAB is this one, COT is this one, then how to symbolize A and T? Note, symbols and the letters are not in order. So okay, so TAN and CAB, in this one A is common here. Okay, so for the same here, which symbol is common? So this star, so means A is equals to, we can say this one. So this is a means A. Okay, and we have to write down A and T. So this will be the starting. So from the starting means option number 2 and option number 1 is the correct one. In between them we will check further. So N means here also shown, and okay, so N is not shown, so we will go for the another one, means T. Okay, so this comparison TN and COT. So in this one T is commonly, so here which symbol is common? So this swastik symbol is common, means T is a swastik. Okay, so T is a swastik means last one is a T, so here T, but here different one. So option number 2 also not one, means this A and T is matching. Now about the N, but here this symbol already done as a and this symbol already done as a T, means this A and T is done, but we require the N, and in this one N also present in a alphabet, means this is a N, means now N means at the middle one, this should be the middle one, means this is a correctly one. So that's why option number 1 correct one. Now in this one we have to compare each, because there is a mention that order is not in order. Okay, means incorrect order, means their sequence may be changed. Okay, so first of all, as per the comparison between A and between the alphabets and the symbols, so common here A. So as per this one, the common is this one, so this is a symbol. Like this one we are find out in the all the symbols for A and T. So this is the option number mentioned, so option number 1 is the correct one. Now for question number 12 and 13, numbers and their symbols are given. So as per this one, question number 12, this is a group of the symbol represent which numbers? So this means 1, cross is given, means this is a 7, and this at the rate means 0, so means 170. 170 means option number 4 is the correct one. Then question number 13, how to write 2336 using the symbol 233. So star, solid star we can say, or shaded star. So this star, and then 33 means 2 times this one, so this is given here, and then at the last 6 means this one, so this is correctly one. So the option number 2 is the correct one. Then question number 14 and 15, so alphabet and the symbols are given with respect to. So question number 14, these symbols group of the symbols represent which word from the given option? So these symbols means S. Okay, then these symbols is A, then this solid circle means N, then this square means G, this greater than means L, and then square solid is I. Okay, means Sangli. Okay, so Sangli means option number 4 is the correct one. Now question number 15, how to write CAVLA using given symbol? So C means this one, so this is given first in option number 1 and 2 and 4. Okay, so option number 3 is incorrectly one. Then A means these 2 lines, so here also 2 lines, here also, and here also. Then V is this triangular symbol, so here triangular symbol, here also, and here different one. So option number 4 is incorrectly, only the option 1 and 2 we will check further. Then L means this symbol means greater than this one, so this is given in option number this one. Okay, and here also, but after this one A also mentioned. A means these 2 lines. Okay, means here, but here the absent, so option number 1 is incorrectly, so the option number 2 is perfectly given, so option number 2 is correctly for question number 15. Thank you.